start small. Start with a small defined use case where you know what the outcome is you're looking for. Test it out, see how it performs, and go from there. How do you get your data AI ready? Well, first let's start with the why. GenAI can't just invent good answers. You might have heard, rubbish in, rubbish out as a phrase. Basically, that means if you put bad quality data into AI, to any kind of AI, whether that's generative AI or traditional machine learning, you can expect rubbish out. So tidy data is really key here. You want to understand what the data is, how you can use it, where it's come from, and you also want to make sure that you understand, who should have access to that data. So getting all of that in one place in a way that people can actually make use of it is really critical. So second, you want to understand the use cases. What are you going to use the data for? Is it for a AI chat tool, a conversational tool where you want to answer questions off the data, or are you going to use it for training a predictive model, for example? Because there's different things you need to do or consider to be able to clean and tidy your data for both different use cases. When you're tidying your data up for GenAI or other AI purposes, adding context to your data is really important. So I sort of mentioned where your data has come from, how it should be used, glossaries, background info. Adding relationships between your data can also help reduce hallucinations with generative AI and help you find other useful data for training, machine learning, and predictive modeling. So all of that can sound really hard to do, but the good news is that there's tools out there that will help you do it. So again, focusing on the use cases that you want to achieve, looking for tools that already do those things. And a lot of those tools will have easy ways of processing or pre-processing your data to help get it into a tidy format, or at least help point you in the right direction for achieving that. Yeah, and send us a message if you've got any questions.